All right, Dr. Paul again with Chris, and we just corrected his shoulder. Now he's got 2 ankles. I know even up at school Chris would have both his ankles strapped up, and before we started the video it was pretty obvious. There's just very little of this motion. We call it dorsiflexion and plantar flexion. He's just not moving right. So I'm going to go ahead and do the correction here. I'm going to be adjusting this bone here. It's called the talus bone, or talus bone, depending where you're from on the globe. Let it go, Chris. I don't know if you could hear that on the video, but it just clunks right back in beautifully. And now full motion, both directions. Same again. Let it go by. Relax it. Beauty. Full motion. Good. That way he's got not only full motion but full power and full mobility, so that way he can not just run forward, but now his lateral motion and his first step during acceleration is going to be back to where it needs to be.